Hey there, Global Go-Getters. Are you ready to take your university journey to the next level? Then buckle up because we are diving into the world of master's degrees here at the University at Buffalo. It's a top-ranked university in the US. It isn't just about prestigious programs and cutting-edge research. It's about a vibrant international community of scholars where you can push boundaries, collaborate with brilliant minds, and unlock your potential. Let's talk about the application process. So you are an international student, thirst of knowledge. Awesome. Applying for master's degree at university is breeze. Head straight to UB's dedicated official website. It's like a treasure trove of information. There you will find a specific application process portals for each and every program. Deadlines vary, so don't wait. Find your dream program and get that application rolling. Now let's talk about the essential you will need. So you will need to have your official graduation degrees, that is transcripts from your university, proof of English proficiency, either TOEFL or IELTS. So many of the universities also accept Duolingo, so you can search on the portal. Here at UB, TOEFL and IELTS both can be accepted. Why TOEFL and IELTS required? Because communication is a key. So if you want to go to any other country, anyone wants to convey any kind of message, so there should be some communication, and it's the only way you can make your voice up, make your conversation in right way. Otherwise no one will get to you what actually you want to say. There will be some problems. So this is why here in US or other countries also in the world, they also ask to have some proficiency test in English universities mostly. Yep. And then you will need to have a statement of purpose, how to write a good statement of purpose, why you want to come here, how actually the course is useful for you, and like that that purpose should have some remarkable marks with the your choices, what actually your goals say. So this kind of information your statement of purpose should have. Here it's your chance to showcase your academic rock star status, your research interests, and how UB's program perfectly aligns with your goal. And yes, don't forget recommendation letters from your professors. And if you have worked, some experience you have gathered from any kind of company, then they will provide you the letter of recommendation. Obviously, as I worked in Indian Space Research Organization, so I asked my guide to write a letter of recommendation, and he wrote me away. So it will vouch your academic prowess. But wait, there's more. UB understands the financial reality of students. Explore their website to get some financial needs, financial aid, and enroll yourself according with the eligibility criteria will be given. They might just be your key to unlock your dream, and their international student office support will actually help in this case. So there's a portal you can go through there and can query your questions and put whatever you want to do, and what actually you need to know you can directly put upon there, and they will respond back to you. It will actually help. They will support you at each and every step you get puzzled. So don't hesitate to ask any kind of questions today. Let's talk about admission requirements. Alright, let's talk about getting in. Naturally, UB seeks students having strong background in academics. Each program has its own minimum GPA criteria that you have scored in your undergraduate. You can check it out on the website. English proficiency is a must. So those TOEFL and IELTS score will be having a top notch. Let's add some more weight to the statement of purpose. This is your chance to shine. Be clear, concise, and passionate. Explain your research interests, how UB's program fits like a missing puzzle piece, and how your unique perspective will contribute to the academic community. Highlight relevant academic achievements and research experience. Also make them see why you are perfect. Now we will talk about the visa information. Almost there, international friends. To officially join UB family, you will need to have a student visa, that is also termed as F1 visa here in US. Don't worry, UB's International Student Office and the US Department of State website have got your back with the resources and guidance to navigate the visa application process smoothly. Now I'll tell about some additional tips and resources. UB is not just about academics, it's about a vibrant international community waiting to welcome you with open arms. Explore their website to dedicated support services for the student, for housing option to cultural events. Being an international student at UB means being part of something bigger, a global network of scholars pushing the boundaries of knowledge. Graduate studies often involve financial planning, research tuition fees, living expenses, and explore financial aid options like scholarship, assistancy, or fellowships. UB wants you to help you to succeed, so don't be shy to explore their resources. I'll put some important links down below in the description box. You can check it out for your purpose, like visa information, UB graduate studies website, program specific application process. There should have some portals, obviously, financial aid resources for the graduate student, UB international student benefits, and all those websites I'll be putting over top. So this is all about the university what I have talked about, and now I want to finish it up in next 2 to 3 minutes and putting down all those things there. And let me know if you want some other kind of videos over here, have some idea I could make videos on and can share my knowledge to it, because it's all about the international student coming to UB, because they have a lot of questions and a lot of problem facing on themselves, so they actually triggered about all those stuffs, external efforts and all. So this is why I made this video, to make them clear. So there you have it. So we have unveiled the exciting world of master's degree here at University at Buffalo for the international students. Remember to check out specific program requirements and reach out to UB's international student office for further guidance. UB is waiting for you. Global scholar, get ready to unlock your potential and make your academic dreams a reality. So this is all about university journey and all, and you can check my description box for the links and all. I have put it back then. And what you can do, like this video if you got like it's a very informative, you can comment it down, and you can also comment what actually I can make videos on. So that each and every international student planning for UB or other universities also in the USA can get the information in well manner. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.